Hi guys, this is 2002 Mitsubishi Lancer. I'm showing today how to adjust the handbrake, the rear brake shoes and the handbrake lever. So we have a look at it. So you can see the brake drum is off. You can see the brake shoes in here and the wheel cylinder off here. So they have some adjustment in here, so we have to use some screwdriver, then have to adjust in here. So you can see in here like a gear wheel, we have to put upward a little bit 3 or 5 knots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that we have to put the brake drum and have a look. So we have to put the brake drum in it and turn the brake drum, then have a look. You can hear the noise of the touching of the brake shoe. If not, have the same procedure, you have to put 2 or 3 notches. Then put drum again. Put notches. You can see the 1 or 2 turning. That's enough. I recommend like that. That is enough. The 1 turn. So if you want to more adjust handbrake, you have to adjust. You can adjust in here. So we have to off this panel, and you can see little bit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Little bit high with handbrake lever, maybe cable is stretch or something. We have to off this 2 panel. You have to 2 screws in here. Yeah. And take it out. Okay, 2 clips in here and the 2 screws. So after that, you can see in here, keep it down. So you can see here now clearly the 10mm bolt. So our handbrake is completely down. Then we have to see some handbrake cable, a little bit excessive play. We can adjust in here 10mm. Have a couple of turn around. Now you can after that check the handbrake. Good. Maybe normally 1 to 7 notches, that's enough. You can feel now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's enough. And after that we have to first in here, first the put this to clip. So all good, handbrake is now all good. Thanks for watching my videos. See you in the next video. Thanks.